During the time of 2009 Maharashtra Legislative Assembly election, many factions of Republican Party of India united to form a single party, Republican Party of India, United, under the leadership of Rajendra Gavai, Professor Jogendra Kawade, T.M. Kamble, etc. Later Rajendra Gavai's faction split from the United Party. Currently RPI-U includes People's Republican Party of Professor Jogendra Kawade/Jogendra Kawade, Republican Party of India, Democratic, of late T.M. Kamble, Republican Party of India, B.C. Kamble, of B.C. Kamble, Republican Party of India, Kawade, of late B.D. Kawade, Republican Party of India, Dale, of Raja Dale, Republican Party of India, Moga, of Shivram Moga, Republican Party of India, Talwadkar, of Ghanshyam Talwadkar, Republican Party of India, Shivraj, Indian Republican Party, Dalit Panther, of Nanded Vasul, Bahujan Mahasangh of Makram Pavar RPI-U, is part of Republican Left Democratic Front, RLDF, in Maharashtra. References